The new FreedConn Motorcycle Helmet Headset Intercom has received favorable reviews for its features and performance, especially given its price range. Key features: 1. Bluetooth connectivity. The headset uses Bluetooth 3.0, allowing for stable connections up to 1,640 feet. It supports up to 3 riders for intercom communication, though only 2 can talk simultaneously at any given time. 2. Sound quality. It offers crystal clear sound with advanced DSP echo cancellation and noise suppression, making it possible to have clear conversations even at high speeds. The built-in speakers provide decent audio quality for music and calls, though it's not as rich as some higher-end models. 3. Battery life. The headset features a 600 mAh battery, providing up to 12 hours of talk time on the phone and 9 hours via intercom. It has a standby time of 120 hours and can be recharged with any smartphone. Adapter. 4. Ease of use. It comes with a single multifunctional button for controlling calls, music, and GPS. This simplifies operation and enhances safety by reducing the need to interact with your phone while riding. 5. Design and comfort. The helmet includes dual visors, clear and sun visor, 4 different lighting conditions, and a good ventilation system to keep riders comfortable. It's also designed to be durable yet lightweight. Limitations. 1. Rider limit. The intercom can only connect up to 3 riders, which might be a limitation for larger groups. 2. Connectivity range. While the advertised range is 1,640 feet, real-world factors like terrain and obstacles can. Overall, the FreedConn headset offers a solid balance of features and performance, making it a good choice for budget-conscious riders looking for reliable intercom capabilities and good sound quality. For more information and detailed reviews, you can check sources like Throttle Buff and Bikers Insider.